As designers ourselves, we understand the struggles of a traditional keyboard. That's why we set out to find a solution. After much brainstorming and product design, we finally came up with this, the Delux Designer, a specialized keyboard with mechanical switches, crafted out of aluminum with a premium finish. The Delux Designer is customizable keyboard, makes designing a breeze. It's the perfect tool to assist any designer.
This product is truly amazing. With it, I can set up my own shortcuts to whatever I want. So when I have multiple projects going on at the same time and I need to do different tasks for all the different projects, I can set up command sequences and with a single push of a button, it does it for me, saving me so much more time now. So especially when I'm doing repetitive work, the Delux Designer is a lifesaver.
The Delux Designer comes with a multi-function dial. It is compatible with 9 major design softwares, and this dial makes design easy. Seamlessly zoom in and out, choose between colors, switch pages, and focus in and on different elements with the Delux Designer.
What the dial can do is remarkable. I can do so much without to have to lift my hand out of the keyboard. I can use it to scroll up, down, zoom in, zoom out, switch between layers, change colors, almost anything. It has really made the design process a lot easier.
The Delux Designer is also compatible with Wacom, making it extremely convenient when drawing. Seamlessly change paintbrush sizes or switch from pen to eraser. Designing has never been easy. We know designers everywhere are in need of a single tool that can streamline work and boost work efficiency. We love the Delux Designer and we know you will too. Help us bring this project to life.
Hello Kickstarter, my name is Paul. For 15 years, PLX Devices has been committed to serving the automotive industry with award-winning innovations such as intelligent gauges, sensors, and OBD scan tools. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or an experienced tuner, our passion is to design electronics to enhance your driving experience by bringing more information to your fingertips. Our ongoing mission is to continue to drive innovation forward. We took a fresh look at automotive displays to see what could be improved. Introducing Kiwi 4. The biggest problem with OBD to smartphone interfaces is that they require a persistent connection. If the smartphone gets interrupted by a phone call or receives notifications, communication with the OBD device is often severed, resulting in inaccurate readings to vital vehicle parameters. Another problem is that the accelerometer in your smartphone is not ideally suited for high-performance vehicle applications. Every time you use the accelerometer, you need to ensure that it's firmly affixed onto a rigid surface. Inability to meet this strict criteria results in inaccurate G readings, horsepower and torque calculations, and other performance parameters. Wouldn't it be great if Kiwi could be set to continuously monitor specific parameters and give audible alerts? For example, an RPM threshold could be set and used as a shift indicator.
Our wishlist became our new passion. We set off to create the world's most advanced car-to-smartphone interface. Kiwi 4 goes beyond OBD. It's compatible with 1996 and later vehicles and installs in seconds. What makes Kiwi 4 truly unique is that it combines all the powerful features and the reach of support of the Kiwi 3 with 3 new innovations.
We created a new CPU and added a micro SD card so that Kiwi 4 can operate without a persistent connection with your smartphone. The parameters you want monitored can be set, logged, and then downloaded to your phone or PC. We installed a high-performance accelerometer, giving you the ability to measure your real-time horsepower and torque while freeing up your phone from having to be permanently mounted. We added a speaker so that you can set audible alerts and warnings. If you want to be one of the first to have Kiwi 4, please make a pledge and help us continue to bring the future.
Outdoor activities have been a part of my life. However, there is one thing troubled me for so long. Air product is suitable for outdoor activities use, but the air inflation has always been a big problem. Until we spent 2 years to created this Max Pump 2. Max Pump 2 is the tiniest outdoor air pump ever. The weight is only 150 grams, which can be easily put into your package or backpack. Now we have induction switch. When you touch it, you'll get the flow rate of 300 liters per minute. The product has 3 different kinds of adapter. Can use it on different types of your equipment. 3600 mAh long battery life. You can even use it as emergency charging device. And it'll shift 3 hints according to your electric quantity while you're charging it. Now, when I was out there with Max Pump 2, I feel peace and free. I can really enjoy all those moments when I was there. I think I'm ready to embrace all of this. FlexTail Gear aims for bring convenience to your trip, adventure, and journey, and help you can have more time to enjoy those wonderful moments of being out there.
Touchscreens are great when you're navigating phones and tablets, but when you're sitting at a keyboard doing computer work, there's still no decent way to access the full power of touch. So what we've done is develop the SwiftPoint GT with gesture technology, an innovative device that has both the power of a mouse and truly natural touch gestures.
The SwiftPoint GT is the first mouse in the world to give smooth panning and flicking without having to reach for the screen. It opens up touch to Windows 7, and fully touch-enabled systems like Windows 8 and 10 just come alive. You can use the GT on your desk like a traditional mouse, but unlike other mice, it's designed to operate on your laptop next to your touchpad. So whether you're on a plane or a train or in the living room, you can always use the GT and be 100% productive. The GT offers 2 modes of use. There is a point-and-click mode, just like a traditional mouse. Then there is the touch gesture mode. Tilt the GT over slightly to touch the stylus, and Windows 8 and 10 now see it as a finger moving on a touch screen. Windows 8 and 10 apps are all about tiles designed to be moved sideways with your finger. They're a nightmare to use with a scroll wheel. The GT supports native touch, so we can intuitively pan and flick smoothly left and right. The new web browser has great features too, but only for a touch screen. With the GT, you can flick back to a previous web page, read through the page with the scroll wheel, and then flick back to the top. With the new Start screen in Windows 10 Preview, You can use the power of a mouse and touch to easily open and switch between apps that now open in smaller windows. Windows 8 and 10 suddenly make sense and actually become pretty awesome. The latest versions of Word and Excel are also touch optimized, and with the GT you can flick and pan your way straight to the section you need. And in Excel you can instantly go over to the column you need to view or edit. No other mouse is this fast and intuitive for navigating documents. It takes you to a new level of productivity. We also support all the other touch features like zooming and application switching. If you're using Windows 7, Android, Mac OS or even an iPad, we haven't forgotten about you. Just check out our other videos below. With other small mobile mice, you need to use a claw grip, which soon causes cramping in your fingers. The GT has an ergonomic pen-like grip that is comfortable in anyone's hands, large or small. It's 30 to 40% more efficient and more accurate than a touchpad. You can connect via Bluetooth 4 or the USB receiver, which also charges the mouse.
Several years ago, we designed our first mouse, designed to help people be more productive while using their laptop on the go. We had a lot of great feedback and received a number of consumer and design innovation awards. Industry experts around the world rated it as the best mobile mouse on the planet.
We now live in a world of touch screens. So we've listened to our users and spent 2 years building prototypes and trialing concepts to do natural touch gestures in a mouse. SwiftPoint's team of hardware and software engineers developed a unique stylus tip and lens optics system. The end result is a world first. Natural touch gestures without your hand leaving the mouse. It's just like having an extension to your finger. And we can't wait for you to experience how amazing this feels.